Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to pay with AliExpress coins. Firstly, browse for items that allow coin redemption. Eligible products will usually indicate that coins can be applied. When you're ready to check out, look for the option to redeem coins. Select it to apply coins toward your purchase. Choose the number of coins you'd like to apply to the order. This will adjust your total discount based on the current coin to dollar exchange rate. Enjoy the reduced price after applying your coin discount. Review the total to confirm your savings before finalizing the payments. So, in general, you use coins to get discounts or to get coupons so you can then apply them at the cart when you're already ready to pay. You can find products that, with applying the coins, you get free stuff. To get them, just watch for exchange rate fluctuations and play the games or tasks AliExpress provides you. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.